Scrum of Scrums is a technique employed in Agile practices, specifically within the Scrum framework, to facilitate collaboration and coordination among multiple Scrum teams working on shared products. Scrum of Scrums addresses this through regular meetings where representatives from each Scrum team share progress updates, discuss cross-team dependencies, and identify impediments. This ensures that all teams stay aligned towards common goals. Scrum of Scrums is a crucial communication channel promoting effective teamwork and enabling successful product delivery in a scaled Agile Scrum environment.
Have you heard about Scrum of Scrums? It's a technique used in Agile and Scrum methodologies to facilitate communication, coordination, and collaboration between multiple Scrum teams working on a common project or towards a shared goal.
Yes, I have. It's an effective approach for addressing the challenges that arise when multiple Scrum teams collaborate on larger projects.
That's right. As projects or organizations scale, a single Scrum team may no longer be sufficient to deliver the product effectively, and multiple teams might be required. However, working with multiple teams can introduce complexities, such as increased dependencies, communication challenges, and the need for alignment.
That's where Scrum of Scrums comes in. It provides a structured way for teams to synchronize their work and address these challenges.
Interesting. Can you tell me more about the key elements of Scrum of Scrums?
Sure. Scrum of Scrums meetings are held regularly, typically daily or multiple times a week, depending on the needs of the project. In these meetings, representatives from each Scrum team participate to discuss progress, updates, and any cross-team dependencies or impediments.
That sounds like a great way to keep everyone on the same page.
Definitely. Each Scrum team selects a representative, often the Scrum Master or a team lead, to attend the Scrum of Scrums meetings. These representatives act as ambassadors for their respective teams, conveying important information and decisions between teams.
I see. What about coordination and impediment resolution?
During the Scrum of Scrums meetings, teams share updates on their progress and any challenges they are facing. This information exchange enables teams to identify and resolve dependencies, avoid duplications of effort, and make necessary adjustments to stay aligned with the overall project objectives. If any cross-team impediments or issues are identified during the meetings, the representatives collaborate to find appropriate solutions.
That makes sense. What about transparency and scalability?
The Scrum of Scrums meetings foster transparency among the multiple teams. This transparency allows all team members and stakeholders to have a clear understanding of the overall project status, progress, and potential risks. Scrum of Scrums can be scaled further if needed, for instance, in very large projects or organizations. It can be expanded to include representatives from higher-level management or program-level Scrum of Scrums to handle more complex coordination and alignment issues.
Thanks for explaining Scrum of Scrums to me. It sounds like a great way to promote better coordination, communication, and alignment in a scaled Agile environment.
You're welcome. In summary, Scrum of Scrums as part of scaled Agile practices is an effective approach that enables the successful delivery of complex products in a scaled Agile Scrum environment.